Hello and welcome to my channel, Tulip. Today, I'm back with another beautiful and practical embroidery tutorial focusing on decorative border stitching. In this tutorial, we'll create a delicate and beautiful design on fabric using a few simple stitches, sparkles. This border embroidery, we use double-stranded thread. This design can be used to decorate the edges of t-shirt sleeves or pant hems, adding a beautiful and unique touch to your clothes. Sparkles. As shown in the image, first bring the needle and thread up from underneath the fabric. Then insert the needle back into the fabric and bring it halfway out. Next, wrap the double thread around the needle twice. Then pull the needle through to create the first border stitch. You can use different types of thread for this border embroidery, but metallic thread is a better option because it creates a cleaner and more precise finish. I used yarn in this tutorial because the goal was to practice and demonstrate this stitching technique. And here is the final result of part 1 of the tutorial. Sparkles. To see the next steps and complete this beautiful border embroidery, be sure to watch the rest of the video. Tulip. In part 2 of the border embroidery tutorial, we'll continue the project together and go through the next stitching step by step. Sparkles. Part 2 requires more precision and concentration than Part 1. At this stage, we need to remember the number of knots and make sure to keep the correct count while stitching. For each section of the stitch, we create approximately 5 to 6 knots to achieve a delicate, neat, and even design. Sparkles. And here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to Mir Stitch for more sewing and embroidery tutorials. Sparkles!